In this video, you will learn how to set up Verifone card reader. Setting up the Verifone card reader involves several key steps, so follow these steps. First, open the box and ensure you have all the components inside. The device is not pre-charged. Plug in the device and allow it to charge fully before using it. Now, press and hold the power button on the Verifone card reader until it powers on. Now, if it has touchscreen, it will show you the Verifone logo and boot up screen. Now, ensure that Bluetooth is enabled on your mobile device or POS terminal. The Verifone card reader, go to Settings menu and select Bluetooth or pairing mode. In the app or the POS system, navigate to the device settings and choose Add New Device or Connect Card Reader. The POS system should detect the Verifone card reader. Confirm pairing, then select the reader from the list. If you have a wired model, just plug in the USB to the back. Now, log in to your POS software or app. Navigate to the Settings or Hardware Setup section. Follow the prompts and add the configuration of your Verifone card reader to your system. You may need to enter business and payment account information, such as your bank account or business name. In the POS system, input and confirm your payment settings. Now, after configuring the device and settings, do a test transaction. Enter a small payment amount in the POS system. Insert, swipe or tap a test card on the Verifone reader. Check that the transaction goes through successfully, and if it does, your Verifone card reader is set up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.